Uganda makwar manyocha oro kwayo mar yudo boke mag wuoth midendo ni passports kadho wadh nam chumbi ne jowuok oko mar dhi kawo boke go e apise mag immigration Mombasa. Maen bang' yudo ote machuok manyiso ni oboke go ne osechopo. Sirikal lando ni oboke duto manyocha ne okwamo koro oseikore. Director mar immigration kadho wadh nam chumbi James Nyatigo okone gisechako ayanga chenro mano mar chiwo boke go mahawa 8,000 kadho wadh nam chumbi. Chenro mokoni biro dhi nyime thuolo mar ndalo 30. Kuom jogo manoyudo passports maggi ne jonyiso mor kendo koni koro gichano manyo thuolo mag tije pinje maoko kaluwore gi nok mag tije makoro kwako pachoka.
Today we have already delivered more than 1,000 passports, and our target is to have at least 2,000 passports delivered to the public. What we had received from Nairobi was 4,800 passports. We also got from Posta 1,700, and we also had in stock around 1,200. So in total, we have around 8,000 passports, and I think if the turnout would be like this, then we may end up finishing this exercise in the next maybe 2 weeks. But we, as instructed by the minister, we are going to do this thing for the next 30 days.
Nimepitia matatizo mengi. Hii shule ni kwa muda mrefu. Since January ndo nilipigwa picha. Nikafuata tukaambiwa mara mitambo, mara hivi. Lakini kwa sasa nashukuru. Nashukuru. Na naona safari yangu sasa imeiva pia.
Tunajiandaa kutafuta safari za kutoka nje, kutafuta maisha mbeleni, kwa maisha Kenya sio rahisi. Sasa inabidi tutafute safari, na safari sio kupatikana inakuwa rahisi kwa sababu ya pasipoti zetu, na pasipoti nimepata ndio hii hapa. Nashukuru sana Bwana Kindiki, uendelee hivyo, chapa kazi.
Piny Kenya kokalo